Effectively deal with your tinnitus symptoms. Many people assume that tinnitus is a condition they just have to live with. They just accept the ringing in their ears as a given that they have to simply endure, but this is not so. Read on into this video for tips and tricks to use in minimizing and managing this condition. Seek advice from a doctor if you are suffering from tinnitus. Tinnitus is likely a sign of a different problem that will likely need treatment from a professional. Chronic tinnitus can also be stressful and make it hard to enjoy a normal day. Tinnitus is unlikely to be deadly, but the benefit of seeing a doctor is that it may be treatable. Research the various natural remedies for tinnitus. There are many means that people were able to successfully treat tinnitus for centuries without the use of medication. Be sure to talk with your physician before trying something, as some herbs can interact with medication, and some of the options available may not be healthy for you. Join a support group if you suffer from chronic tinnitus. Tinnitus can be extremely stressful for some people, and having someone to talk to about it can help you feel better. It also is beneficial to be around others that understand what you are going through. If you cannot find a group locally, you can join one online. To avoid aggravating your tinnitus further, choose the foods you eat carefully. Salt, caffeine, artificial sweeteners, and sugar can all make the symptoms of your tinnitus worse. If you don't want to give up all these things, try eliminating them one at a time to find out which one, if any, is causing problems. As stated earlier in this piece, a lot of sufferers of tinnitus assume there is nothing that can be done about this annoying condition. However, now that you have read these tips, you know that there are steps you can take soon for relief. Employ them in the coming days to hear a clearer future. Brain scan uncovers the real root cause of tinnitus and what you can do about it, starting today. Please visit earpainhacks.com to learn more. Would you like to learn how to naturally ease tinnitus? Please visit earpainhacks.com to learn more. Link in the description.